Hello and welcome back. So in this video we will be manipulating the strings once again, and we will be printing out some of the strings, and we will be seeing some of the methods which are available to the strings for our convenience. So let's get started. Suppose you want to print some of the strings into some different lines. So how you can do that? For example, I want to print out some programming languages, and then in the next line I want to print Python, and in the next line I want to print JavaScript, and again I want to print TypeScript, and then I want to print, suppose, Go, something like that. So how we can print that? So the first thing which you might be thinking, okay, we will be writing like the uh, many of the print statements. On the first one we will be writing programming languages, then on the second one we will be writing Python, and then JavaScript, TypeScript, Go, so on and so on. But there is a better way to do that. So what we can do, we can write print, and then we can do uh, programming languages, just making the L capital, okay, and then we can write Python, and then we can write JavaScript, and we can write TypeScript, and then Go, something like that. Okay, if I run this program right now, so yeah, this is being printed out. Okay, and make sure to comment out all of the previous code, otherwise you will be seeing many of the print statements if you are following along. So yeah, so now what we can do, we have some of the special characters in Python to for making the string into the new line. The first one is /n. uh, this is the, sorry, I messed up. So this is the \n. So this is a special character which we use to print out a part of the string into the new line. So what I can do, I can do, after this programming language, I can do \n, and as you can see, in VS Code it is being printed out in a different color. Not printed out, but it is showing a different color, so it is the part of the syntax. Then we can use \n, and then we can use \n, and then we can use \n. Okay, if we save that and then if we run it again, now we have programming languages in one line, and then we have the Python, JavaScript, TypeScript, and Go in different lines. So we do not have to write out many of the print statements. We can write out only one print statement, and then we can use this new line character which we have, and by using that we can print out the parts of the strings into the new line. Okay, so now this is quite good. Now if I want that the JavaScript should be indented, so something like that. Okay, so I want to insert a tab. So for that we have another special character in Python which we have, it is \t. So \t, and it is again, it has the syntax highlighting similar to the \n. And if we now run this program, see, before JavaScript we have a good amount of space, which is basically a tab. So if you want to indent something, you want to insert the tab, then you can use the \t. And if you want to print some part of the string into a new line, then you can use the \n. Okay, so this is how we can like add some white space into the strings. Now how we are able to remove the white space from the strings, right? So let's do that in next. So what we can do, we can go here and make a variable, our good old message. So message equals to hello, something like that. And then what I am doing, I am inserting some of the white space. So I'm just pressing the space bar a couple of times from the beginning and in the end. Now if I save that and then run, oh, okay, so sorry for that, I'm not printing that. So I'm commenting the previous one and then print message. There we go. And then if we run this, as you can see, we have the white space before and we have the white space after as well, but we are not able to see that. So that is something you have to believe in me, because yes, there is a white space because we have the string here, right? So now I want to do some things with this. So I want to strip out this like the white space before the hello. Okay, how we can do that? We have some methods. One of them, which is called it is in the left side of the like the string, right, the hello. So we can do dot and l strip, and we have to call that oh, sorry for that, we have to call that. And then if I run this program again, we have removed the white space, like this part of the white space. Again, this L strip will remove only the left white spaces. It will not touch to the right white spaces. So for that one, we have another method which is called, I think you have guessed it, which is R strip, which is this. And now if we run this program, then we have the first one where in the first print statement, the hello, like before the h, the all of the white space is gone. And in the last one, the r strip one, it is removing the white space from after. So we do not have any white space in the right side. Okay, now what you want to do, you want to remove all of the white space, suppose. Then what you can do, you can use this uh, two methods simultaneously, like the L strip and R strip, or you can use print and then message dot only strip. This is another method which will what it will do, it will get rid of all of the white spaces on the left side and also on the right side. So if we run this program, okay, getting some errors, again run this program, and there we go. So the first one is the L strip, the second one is the R strip, and the third one is only strip, which strips out every white space available in the string. But make sure that if you have something like hello world, if you have some white space, like the space in between two words, it won't affect that. It only affects these three methods, only affects the white space before the string or after the string or after the word, right? So if we do that again, getting some errors, and then again trying to run that, yeah, there we go. So that is the thing. So we have the L strip, R strip, and the strip method. So yeah, that was it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed that, and catch you in the next one.